Are you using AI or slowly damaging your future? Using AI without understanding it can silently affect your mental, performance, and psychology. Wrong use of AI does not just affect results. It also weakens your thinking. Your brain follows the input you give it. AI shapes that input every day. The more random your AI use, the more confused and distracted your mind becomes. If you don't control AI, AI starts controlling your focus and attention. Too much AI use, non-stop content, low focus, and weak mental clarity. Are you using AI or wasting your time? 90% people fail in AI for one reason. AI does not make money for everyone. Today, everyone is using AI apps. Some make reels. Some generate images. Some copy-paste scripts. But the result? Zero. Do you know why? Because AI is not a toy. AI has its own language, its own hidden rules. And listen carefully. AI does not give wrong results. The user gives wrong commands. Protocol E. Clear commands. Random prompts equals weak results. Remember this simple rule. The clearer the command, the better the output. Tell AI exactly what you want. What type? What style? How short or long? Protocol R. Smart context. Just saying, make a script is useless. I needs context. Audience. Emotion. Purpose. Topic. Give these things, and AI gives next level results. The scary truth is this. Most people are not using AI smartly. They are only pressing buttons. That is why, even after months, their life stays the same. But now comes the real danger. AI has made your brain slow. Too much AI. Too many reels. Too much scrolling. It mentally exhausts your brain. Want to recover? Send powerful fixes. 1. Dopamine reset. Stay away from your phone for some time. Silence and walking help your brain reset. 2. Start thinking yourself. Do not ask AI everything. Write your own ideas and captions. This makes your brain stronger. 3. Sleep recovery. Stop late-night scrolling. A strong brain needs proper sleep. Always remember, but a dangerous master. And listen to this carefully. In the next 2 years, I will either become your income or your replacement. This video is based on modern psychology, neuroscience, and AI productivity research. Due to short format, only key insights are shared. For full research and detailed studies, check the links in the description.